Hello, hello, and welcome to this video. Last video we talked about pgdog and Citus, and before that we did the theory part of PostgreSQL manual. So in this part we will see some basic queries, and I have prepared a data set which we will continue using for a lot of queries. So the setup is same. We have a Docker container running, which is PostgreSQL. If you see images, it is based on latest, which is version 18 of PostgreSQL, 18.1 or something. So what we can do is we can create a database employees. Let me delete these tables quickly. So I'll drop these tables. So we will create a table called department, which will have department number, primary key is integer, unique integer, and we have a department name varchar32 and location varchar32. Then we'll create another table employee number whose primary key is also integer, unique. We don't need unique. Primary keys are unique, guaranteed to be. Oops. What did I do? Okay. So I did save this as one of the files. Employee database. Okay. Maybe in home folder. No. Videos, Postgres. Where did I save this? Not Perl programming. Postgres. No. Okay, we'll save it again. Cancel. Control S. We save it in videos. Okay. We call it employees. All right. Saved. So we have employee number, integer primary key. We have employee name, varchar32. All the texts are varchar32. Job is varchar32. Manager is key which will refer to employee number. Okay. And hard date is date. Salary is int. Commission is int. Department number is int. Refers to the department number of department table. Now this is not ideal. Instead of int, we could have chosen serial, but we'll be deleting and updating this table again and again, and the values will change. And then this table won't match. So that's why I have made it integer, not a serial. So we insert 3 rows into department. First row is this, and then we have the second row, 4 rows actually, not 3. And these are the 4 rows we will insert. So we have department number 10 to 10, 20, 30, 40. We have accounting, research, sales, operation, New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Similarly, we have 13 rows of this. So let's insert this. First, we need to create the table. So we select this and we say run. The tables are created, and we insert these rows. So these rows will be inserted. Okay. So once we have this, we can try querying this. So I'll show you some new queries compared to older queries. So if I remember, I have told that you can give a different name to a column. For example, sal can be referred as salary. Okay. So you see this. Okay. That works. All right. We have got salary and commission here. Now, one of the problems is that we have given this name salary, but we can't refer to this salary. Okay. It is an alias name. It won't work. So you see this? It says perhaps you meant to refer the column m.sal. So you see, with the red color, you can know that there is a problem with this code. So what you can do is you can select the table, salary and column, okay, like this, and then you query on that view. So what happens in this is this will form an in-memory view which you can refer. So this in-memory view will contain salary column, not sal column. And that's why we can have salary. And this X is the name of the internal view. So let's see this. So there you go. Salary and commission are there. Okay. Now, I don't remember if I have said about the concatenation operator, but that is double OR. Okay. So in this, we will select the employee name and concatenate that with works as a, and concatenate that with the designation or job. Okay. And we call that as a message where department number is 10. So this will be applicable to all the employees who will have department 10. 1, 2, 3. So there should be 3 rows in this. So we execute this and there we go. We have 3 rows. Now I also don't remember if I explained case 1. So case 1 is like if else like control flow operator. So it starts with case, ends with end. Okay. So in this case, we are selecting employee name, salary, and when salary is less than 2000, less than or equal to 2000, we will select underpaid. And if salary is greater than or equal to 4000, then it will be overpaid. And between 2000, 3000, it will be okay. And the column name of this under values, which will contain underpaid, overpaid, and okay, the column name of that would be status. So we run this. So you got one overpaid employee, that is me, Shiv, and remaining are either underpaid or okay. All right. Now, one of the things is how do you randomly select certain rows? So to do that, you can call random on order by. Okay. So the ordering would be random. Okay. For each column, the random would be computed again and again. You see, we have this, and if we rerun this, it changes. Okay. So suppose Shiv is at the top, it is not guaranteed to be at top again. So for example, it is at bottom here. Let's see if it comes again. Okay, here it is at top. So that's how you select random number of columns. So for example, if you want to see what it contains, you can simply say select random. Okay. And oops, you execute this. Select the 2 O's. And there you go. It's a floating point number between 0 and 1. Now, the other thing is null. So when you want to use null in where clause, it is not the is equal to operator which you use, you say is. So we select employees whose commission is null. You see, these many are employees whose commission is null. Now, if you want to give null a different value, you can say use coalesce function or coalesce function. Coalesce. I don't know really how to pronounce this. You see, if the commission is 0, if it is null, it will be replaced with 0. And if it is not null, it will come. So effectively, what this function does is when commission is not null, then commission, else 0. So this will also have the same output. So you see, when commission should say as com. Okay. So you see, if commission is null, then it is 0, otherwise it will come. Now we will look at 2 things. One, I think we have gone through the stuff, but we have not gone through this department number n. So it's an array, and if department number is between 10 and 20, then it will be selected, and employee name must contain I or job must contain ER. So either of those conditions, if they're satisfied, it will select a column, select a row. You see, president, manager, then analyst, but we have I in the name, Suret, Sumit, Vijay. So that's how you select, and ER is also present for last 2 rows. So these are some of the basic queries which we can do in PostgreSQL, and for a lot of tutorial we will have this. What I will do is I will put this in my Google Cloud, or rather Google Drive, and I'll share the link of this SQL file in what you call in a link in YouTube description. So you can download it from there, no need to type or worry about it. So with this, I'll come to the end of this video, and if you find this video useful and informative, then hit the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, give me a like and share the videos with your friends so that they can also benefit from that. So in next video, we will go through another topic from the theory side, that is manual, and after that there will be more queries based on the same data set. We will not change the data set for querying. Okay. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. Happy programming.